Welcome back. So let us have a look on fragmentation, which we have calculated in contiguous memory allocation algorithms, that is first fit, best fit and worst fit. Already we have seen in the previous video lecture. Here you can observe fragmentation can be of two types. One is external, the other one is internal. So what is external? Total memory space that exists to satisfy a request, but it is not contiguous. It is not continuous, so it is not possible to allocate the memory to a particular process. So internal is allocated memory may be slightly larger than the requested memory. This size difference is memory internal to a particular partition but not being used. So it is a smaller hole left out after allocating a memory to a particular block process within a block. So small amount of memory left out as a whole within the block that we call as a internal memory. So let me explain how to calculate this for a previous example that we have taken for the allocation. So here, this is the allocation that what we have done for the first fit, right? So we have calculated this fragmentation, total fragmentation also. So to this, how do we calculate the external fragmentation that we'll look into? So total memory block size that is left out here. So this is the one whole block left out, 100 KB size, and one more is 300 KB size whole block is left out. So we have two complete blocks of memory left out, that is 100 plus 300 KB. So totally 400 KB is the external fragmentation. We can say internal is within a whole small holes are within a block, small holes are left out, so which are internal to that particular block. So this is 500 minus 212 plus 200 minus 112 and 600 minus 470. So that will be around 559 KB. So when you take a sum of this 400 plus 559, we'll get the 959 KB, which is the total fragmentation. So here you can understand that external fragmentation are the whole blocks left out in the main memory. So it is 100 plus 300 as a whole block, whereas internal is a sum of all small holes left out within these partitions. So this is 500 minus 212, 200 minus 112 and plus 600 minus 417, that gives you a total of 559 KB. Similarly, when we go for best fit, we are left out with only one whole block, that is 100 KB. So external fragmentation is 100 KB and internal fragmentation is 433 KB. How it is 433 KB? Internal fragmentation is 433 KB. How it is 430 in the sense 500 minus 417 plus 200 minus 112 plus 300 minus 212 plus 600 minus 426. This gives you a sum of 433 KB. So this is the internal fragmentation. External is one whole block is left out, so that itself is external 110 KB. And you take a sum of these two, 100 plus 433, we will get a total fragmentation size here. So we can compare it by using the external and internal fragmentation also. So similarly for the worst fit, we are left out with two blocks, that is this 100 KB block and this 200 KB block. So it will be external will be 100 plus 200, so we'll get a total of 300 KB of external fragmentation. Internal fragmentation is same, that is 500 minus 417 plus 300 minus 112 plus 600 minus 212. So that will be around how much? 659 KB, I guess. Yeah. So it is internal fragmentation is 659 KB. So as you can observe, individually to compare the efficiency of these three algorithms, again you take the three, the first fit, best fit and worst fit. In terms of external and internal fragmentation, also best fit is more suitable. As you can observe, external fragmentation in first fit is 400 KB, whereas and in case in worst fit it is 300 KB, whereas in case of best fit it is 100 KB only. So this is having the least wastage in external fragmentation also. Internally it is 433 KB, whereas other two, that is worst case is 659 and first fit is 559 KB. So totally again when you look at the internal fragmentation, that is also lesser in case of best fit. That's why we can say the best fit is the most efficient algorithm by taking individually the external and internal fragmentation as well as by having a look on total fragmentation also. That's why best fit is the most efficient algorithm. Thank you.